girlfriends, what's up? So I was at Forever 21 and I was like shopping around, and then I went into their accessories section, and then I realized that Forever 21 carries makeup. So I was buying stuff at Forever 21. I've got this like little cute little ear thing to keep my ears warm, but I realized that they have like makeup. So I went through their makeup stuff, and I have the receipt here because I want to talk about the pricing and all that kind of stuff, and I'm really excited to use them. So I thought that why not use a full face of Forever 21 makeup. It doesn't really say Forever 21 on any of the packages, you know what I mean? Like it does say it on this, like this is the contour kit. So I want to do a full face using Forever 21 makeup, or makeup that you can find there, because you never know, maybe we're missing out on some really good products that we may not know about. Let's see, I got this lip hydration mask. It says to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is the first thing I got, and we're gonna put this on because I've actually never used these. I've seen people on Instagram use them. Ooh, this is like a lot of liquid coming out of here. I've seen people on Instagram use them. Oh, this is weird. I don't know if I like this. Ooh, this has a weird texture, you guys. Ew, it's just not even coming out. I just gotta, but I can't talk after this? This is funky. Oh. I'm not a fan of this, mainly because I can't talk while I'm using it, and it feels weird, and it's just like, I mean, I don't know. My lips just feel normal. They feel like they have some kind of moisture to it. I don't know. We'll see when I apply my lip products. Forget it. I went ahead and dampened the beauty blender that I bought from them. But let me tell you, that lip mask, I bought a bunch of stuff, you guys. So that lip mask, $2.03. So when I went, they were actually having some kind of sale, and everything was like 30% off or something. So I got most of it for 30% off. So next I'm gonna use this primer. It's funny because there's actually, like, I would say there's like no name behind this. It does say it's made in China, but there's no like branding. Does that make sense? Like this just says mattifying primer. Like, you know how normally Forever 21 or like normal brands will have, like, let's say Forever 21 mattifying primer. This doesn't have that. So I'm assuming they probably just bought it in bulk from like a manufacturer, and they're just using it, you know, just like that. So this is a mattifying primer, and I'm actually a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, using this. So this is like, and it smells, it doesn't smell bad. It smells like eucalyptus. That's the word. Some primers say they're mattifying and they're not. This one, it feels really nice going on the skin, I'm not gonna lie. Like it feels moisturizing, a little oily. It does feel a little oily, like even on my hand I feel like there's a little bit of residue, but looking at it in the mirror, it's not overly matte, but it's not like it's dewy. I would say it mattified my face. It's not like one of those primers that mattifies it so much. It does feel like it took away some oil from my face though. I don't mind it. It feels really soft and nice. Okay, I'm gonna put two piles aside, one that I might continue using and one that I really don't want to use, and this I'm gonna put in might continue using. And that primer, let me tell you, that primer was $6.93 Canadian after the 30% off. You know what I didn't find there? Oh no, I didn't get a foundation. Damn it. Okay, so there's no foundation, which kind of sucks, but I will put on just my regular foundation, and I'll use the beauty blender to see if it works well. But I think I couldn't find a foundation because they just didn't have, either they didn't have the color that I needed or they didn't have any, otherwise I would have gotten one. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna use the Too Faced Natural Beige Born This Way, and we'll use it with this beauty blender that came with it. It's actually not bad. When I wet it and it became so big, like this is huge. Oops, I put too much. I'll put half there and half here. Not every beauty sponge will of course be as good as the actual beauty blender, because beauty blender obviously has their formulation of their sponges like trademarked. But the ones that I found that were like really good or up to par with the beauty blender sponges are the Tarte Quickie sponge. It's the purple one, and L'Oreal actually has some decent ones as well, like dupes. They're not the best. The Real Technique one is good, but I don't find myself reaching for that much. And then I know a lot of people will talk about the Morphe sponges, but I got them because Jaclyn Hill always talked about them, but I just didn't like it. I still felt like it felt kind of plasticky. I don't know how else to explain it. It didn't feel too spongy for me, and I just didn't like it as much. This sponge actually isn't bad at all. Let me see how much this sponge is. This sponge, when I bought it, it was 30% off. It's $3.43, and honestly, like, I'm looking at my skin in the mirror and it did a pretty good job. I'm not going to be putting makeup right here because I got my nose pierced, so I don't want makeup on it, but honestly it did a pretty good job like blending things out, and this foundation usually isn't too hard to blend out anyways. It's not bad. I'm going to keep it in the pile of when I'm going to use stuff. I know they have liquid concealers, but once again all their shades were way too dark for me, so I got this contour kit. And this is a cream contour palette, and it looks like this. It looks like one of those like Anastasia ones. And so what I'll do is I'll try to use this as a concealer instead because I don't really have a concealer from them. So the colors look pretty decent. Like this looks like a super cool tone bronzer. It may look muddy on me. This is like a peachy tone. Honestly, like the shades in here are kind of weird, but we'll try to make it work. I'm gonna use this. Honestly, I'll mix these two for concealer. And ooh, actually, when you put your finger in it, they're pretty creamy. Wow, all right, that's not bad. But sometimes when concealers are too creamy, they can crease a lot too. Do I look green on camera? Like the two colors under my eyes, and we're just gonna see how it conceals. Of course, this doesn't say that it's a concealer, but it is a highlight and contour kit, so I would use it anyways to highlight and contour. So I don't know, it is super creamy, so I feel like it could kind of slide around a little bit. I'm gonna use the same sponge to blend it out. Honestly, I swear, I tell you guys this all the time, nobody texts me like normally throughout the day, but as soon as I start filming, I get like a crazy amount of text messages or calls. Okay, so right away I can tell that I hate this product. I'll show you guys why. Okay, you guys might not be able to see, but I'm gonna try to zoom you in and see if you can see that way better. But do you guys see how it's like patchy, and it's like kind of flaking, and it didn't really cover my eye bags. Like it's like flaking right here, even here. It has like, it's like all patchy, excuse my nose. Very greasy looking too, but no. That's a no. Like for sure, that's a no. If anything, I feel like it's accentuating the eye bags. That's like, this is trash. Regardless, I'm gonna use the contour shade. But like, do you see where I'm going with, like this shade almost borderline looks green. Do you see it? These are the different contour shades I have that I can use. None of those look like I could actually use as contour shades. I may mix these two together. Okay, so that's how they look blended out. I'm just gonna go for the deepest shade. Screw it. We're gonna YOLO this. I also, you guys, actually, I bought some brushes from them as well, this kit. And this kit was $11.83 for this kit. So they're like double-sided brushes. They're pretty soft. They're not bad. Honestly, when you use bad makeup products, you start to realize why you love certain products the way you do. If I keep blending, let me show you. I'm going to keep blending. It's just gonna disappear. Like, where did I even put? Do you guys remember when I put such a dark line right here? Where did it go? It just blended into my skin, or the brush ate it. My face just looks so bad right now. This is a big no. It's funny because the reason I bought this makeup was because I thought that I would like something from it. Like I thought that maybe I could find something from Forever 21 that I really like. And that's just not the case right now. This is like a total dud. This is a no. I still really like the Beauty Blender. The primer's not bad either. Like just looking at the foundation, it's not bad. So now I got this, okay. It's fine. I got this setting spray from them. This is what it looks like, and it says pearl, and I'm just realizing that it says pearl because who the hell wants a pearl setting powder for under your eyes? I'm gonna take the next brush, this one, the fluffy part, and first let me take some, ooh, the powder feels really nice. So soft. I'm gonna put this on my hand, and it definitely has some pearlescent to it. I put it right here, but I don't know if you guys can tell, but if I look closely, it has like fine glitter. And if you rub enough, the powder disappears, but the glitter remains. I'm just gonna have to set my face with this because I honestly have no other choice at this moment because I didn't get in it. There's no other setting powder, so I'm just gonna take this and kind of just put it on. That setting powder was $5.53 after the 30% discount. You know what I'm gonna do just to make this look, you know, a little better, because I'm not digging the way it's gonna come. I already know I'm gonna hate it. I'm going to take my Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and I use the color number 5, and I'm gonna define my eyebrows with this. And I'm just gonna hope, usually when your eyebrows look good, it kind of can make the look a lot better. I don't know. I'm trying to just save my makeup at this point, and I didn't get any eyebrow product from Forever 21. And I like this because the tip is very thin, but you don't have to put too much pressure, and it just gives like the right amount of control. And honestly, I don't push too hard when I'm doing this. I use such light strokes, and then I just comb it through wherever I need. Brow pencils honestly give you such a good, yay, at least something will look pretty. My eyebrows. Then I'm going to use my Bravo Conditioning Primer. I normally use this before I fill in my brows, but I couldn't find it, and I literally just found it sitting right in front of me. And if you guys haven't used this, oh my god. If you're trying to grow out your brows, you need this product. I started using it when the girl at the Benefit Brow Bar used to do my eyebrows, and she told me that like it literally actually worked. And then I saw Nicole Concilio using it, and her eyebrows grew so much, and this helped me so much to grow back my eyebrows that weren't going back, like the sparse areas like up here at my arch and stuff. Oh my god, amazing product. That powder wasn't too bad. It's making my face look more like luminous. It's not bad though. It doesn't look like it has too much glitter or anything in it. Then I'm gonna go in with this, and this is a illuminating bronzer, but I'm gonna use it more of a highlight. Okay, so right off the bat, looking in the mirror, this highlight is accentuating my pores like no tomorrow. It isn't too much of a soft powder. Like, so, you know, sometimes there's powders like the Becca highlighters are amazing. They kind of just melt into your skin. This one does not do that. It looks very foiled here. It doesn't look like it's gonna melt into my skin at all. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can see where it's kind of holding on to my pores right around this area. So let's start off with a shade to kind of set our entire lid, and that's gonna be this one here. Eyeshadows, I already know this. They're going to be very chalky, and I feel like blending them out is going to be an issue, because I think these are going to be the type of eyeshadows that just like disappear when you blend them out. It's not the worst. Obviously there's some pigment payoff, so it's not too bad. I may just use my finger. I feel like sometimes eyeshadows just freaking go on better with fingers because you can pack it on more. It's not the worst thing. Younger kids that may be interested, and like someone that actually will love to play around, this is not too bad. And for 10 bucks, but I also feel like 10 bucks you can go to a drugstore and get like a really nice Maybelline eyeshadow palette, or like a L'Oreal one, you know? Or even Wet n Wild has really nice eyeshadow palettes for like 3-4 bucks. I'm just using the black shadow and trying to deepen up this outer V area right here to give it more of like a smoky eye effect. Then it came with this eyeliner, and I'm kind of nervous to try this because you guys know sometimes I react to stuff going in my eye, but I mean, drawing it on my hand, it seems like it's pretty good. Like, I'm not putting that much pressure, and it seems like it's, you know, pretty good. So I'm gonna try to put this in my waterline. Oh, actually, that has some decent payoff. I'm not gonna lie, the eyeshadow is not bad at all. Like obviously you guys are a little zoomed in, but really from this far, it's not horrible, you know? You know what this wand reminds me of? Oh my god, there's a mascara that has this wand. I think it's a L'Oreal oh no, the Tarte mascara has this wand. Ooh, I feel like the formula, like the actual liquid part of this, is very thick. It's kind of thick and goopy. Do you guys see at the top? Do you see that little goop of, but I don't mind it. I feel like it's holding my lashes pretty well. How did it perform so well on this lash And look what it did to this lash. This mascara was $5.53 after the 30% discount. And then I also got these fake lashes for $3.43 after the discount as well. I'm putting on the lashes and the mascara is just like coming right off. Look at this. $5.53, and this set is the chestnut. It's not the best lip liner, but we got it. So then we have this lipstick in chestnut, and it looks kind of peachy. So let's see how this turns out. Well, this isn't too bad. The lipstick, it feels really good on the lips so far. It doesn't feel too drying, but obviously when it dries fully, then we'll see what it does. This is the last thing I have, and it's $6.93, and this is just called a setting spray. That's all it says on it. It says nothing else but setting spray. Whoa, okay, that's a lot all at once. These lashes hurt from, you know those lashes that when you shut your eyes, it's like stinging, it's like poking into you? That's what these lashes feel like, so I actually hate them so much. The mascara came off when I was putting on the lashes all over my hands. What a big fail. I literally started this tutorial off thinking that I'm gonna end up liking something. This is the best thing that I like. If you guys are gonna try the makeup sponge, I actually don't mind this at all. And like the eyeshadow palette was not too bad. Like, it wasn't the best, but it wasn't, you know, it wasn't horrible. Just go to the drugstore and buy makeup from the drugstore, because this all just feels like they just took a bunch of stuff from like manufacturers from China and kind of just like put their name on some of them, and some of them don't have their name at all. So it seems like they just took a bunch of shit and like, I don't know, just tried to sell it, and I'm just not a fan. If there's something that you guys like from there that I may have not gotten, let me know, because I'm down to buy that for sure, especially if you guys say it's good. But other than that, not about this life. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!